In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize your calendar in Notion with this quick and easy tutorial. If you're looking to better organize your workspace, resizing the calendar to fit your layout preferences is a great way to start. Let's dive right in and get your Notion workspace looking its best. First, you'll want to head over to your Notion workspace. This is the place where all your wikis, documents, and projects are kept. If you're not familiar with it yet, think of it as your digital hub for organizing a multitude of tasks and collaborations. Once you're there, ensure you're logged in, or you'll need to do so to access all of Notion's features. After you've logged in successfully, navigate to your Notion home. This area serves as the starting point for accessing all your pages and databases. It's essential to begin here because it connects all your projects and notes in one seamless layout. Now that you're on the home page, locate a specific page where you have your calendar set up. This could be a project page, personal planner, or any other space where you organize your schedule, using the calendar block. Click on the page to open and view its contents. To adjust the calendar's size, you'll need to set up a new column structure. Start by typing in the command "2 columns" at a convenient place on your page. This action organizes the page layout, providing a new area where you can position your calendar alongside other content. After creating the 2 columns, you'll want to click on the calendar and begin the resizing process. To do this, click and drag the calendar block into one of the newly created columns. Notion allows for fluid adjustments, meaning you can easily drag the calendar horizontally to enlarge or shrink it according to your viewing preference. The flexibility here is key for creating a workspace that truly suits how you visualize your tasks day to day. And that's it. By rearranging your calendar like this, you give yourself the freedom to design your page's layout in a way that best fits your workflow. Understanding how to manipulate Notion's block and column structure can significantly enhance the productivity of your digital workspace. Experiment with different setups to find what best enhances your productivity. Whether that's a more compact calendar alongside additional notes or a larger layout front and center. Resizing your calendar in Notion is a simple yet impactful way to tailor your workspace. It's all about creating a system that aligns with how you work best. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.